plane just landed here in St. Martin with the remnants of Hurricane Dorian. As you can see, the waves are extremely rough. There is no getting in the water. It has eroded some of the beachfront right here. Still warm, as you can see. And thunderstorms are passing by. Yep. But yeah, watch them hit the rocks over there. It's pretty strong. So the storm came through sometime throughout the night. It's been off and on. And thunderstorms have been sporadic as well. But this is what it looks like in St. Martin. And the time is 1:39.